Hello, this is the story of the yawning dragon who couldn't sleep. High above the quiet valley, in a warm little cave beneath the stars, lived a tiny dragon named Ember. Ember was a gentle dragon. He liked soft blankets, warm beds, and listening to the wind at bedtime. Every night, Ember curled into a cosy ball beside the glowing fireflies outside his cave. But tonight was different. Ember yawned. He snuggled deeper into his bed. He closed his eyes. But then he opened them again. Sleep would not come. He turned over once, then twice, and his tail swished softly against the cave floor. "I'm too awake," Ember whispered sadly. So the little dragon stepped outside into the cool night air, and he felt the soft breeze against his scales. Then suddenly, "Wide awake too?" a gentle voice drifted down from above. Ember looked up and saw an old owl resting on a crooked tree branch. "I can't sleep," Ember admitted. The owl blinked slowly. "Sometimes bedtime takes a little longer to find us," said the owl. Ember sat quietly beneath the tree. The old owl told Ember to listen carefully. Slowly, Ember noticed the rustling leaves, the whispering wind, and the tiny chirping crickets all around him. The world sounded calm, slow, and sleepy. The owl stretched out one wing gently. "When I cannot sleep," the owl said softly, "I watch the moon and take slow breaths." Ember looked up at the moon, round, golden and quiet. He took one slow dragon breath in, and one slow breath out, and again in and out. His shoulders relaxed, his wings drooped gently, and the owl smiled. "Better?" "A little," Ember whispered sleepily. The night breeze curled softly through the trees, and the stars no longer seemed bright and busy. They seemed soft, far away and sleepy. Ember let out another giant yawn. "I think sleep is getting closer," said the owl warmly. Ember's eyelids felt heavy now. His tiny dragon feet felt warm and tired. Slowly, Ember walked back towards his cave beneath the stars. Inside, his bed felt softer than ever. He curled his towel around himself and rested his head upon his bed. Outside, the wind whispered softly through the trees, and the fireflies blinked gently near the cave entrance. And long before, the little dragon who could not sleep finally drifted into sweet, peaceful dreams. The owl watched Ember quietly for a little while longer, and then he tucked his head beneath his feathers, and he fell asleep too. Good night.